that smells so good. We just added a 3-ounce box of Jell-O strawberry with 8 ounces of Cool Whip right here into our bowl. Now we're gonna add 2 servings of strawberry Greek yogurt. Yes, we're using 2 servings of strawberry Greek yogurt. Let's see, the size on this is 5.3 ounces. You can see right there. Now, of course, there are a couple variations. I mean, I'm doing strawberry because this one is my favorite, which if you haven't tried, you definitely need to. And, but what would you do? I mean, I don't know, so many options, right? So here we go. We're starting off with a really easy, simple, no-bake pie. Once you have all of that stuff in there, I'm gonna turn my mixer on. Let's see if we can get it go. And we wanna just mix together all of that Cool Whip with the strawberry Jell-O and that Greek yogurt. And this is smelling so strawberry delicious. Oh my goodness, what a great no-bake pie. That looks great. Ooh, I can tell everything is mixed. It even seems a little bit thicker, and we're moving right along. I wanted to choose a chocolate pie crust for this, so that's what we did there. But of course, you know, there are many, many options. So we're gonna just take this easy little mixture that we just mixed together and plop it right there inside that chocolate pie crust. Wow, that looks amazing, you guys. Yogurt, Cool Whip, and Jell-O, that is all we have in here. That is 3 ingredients in here. Then we added it into our chocolate pie crust, and this looks so nice. Oh, I don't know, for Valentine's Day, for spring, just because you love strawberry, and it's gonna be so good, you guys. I can't wait to see how creamy and so good. This consistency looks fabulous. I'm really, really, really loving this strawberry pie right here. Okay, so I have everything nice and smoothed out on the top. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this in the freezer for 2 hours and stick around because we have just a little bit more to come, and it's going to be so, so, so good. I know, light, fluffy, fresh strawberry, yes. Woohoo! Our no-bake strawberry pie is all done. I just have to add some of these delicious strawberries that I sliced up, and I'm gonna go around. I'm just gonna put them all around the outside because I just can't get enough of strawberry. And look at how red and juicy these are. Oh, there's nothing better than a good, fresh, juicy strawberry. Am I right or am I right? Mm-hmm. Exactly. All right, so let's stick these bad boys on here. Ooh, it's gonna give a nice little fruit freshness to the rest. Maybe we'll just do 3 like that. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. What an easy pie, and it looks fabulous. I can't wait to dig in here. I'm gonna get some strawberries in with mine. Oh, the crunch of the chocolate crust. And like I said before, you can use any crust that you want, but my thought was chocolate and strawberry. That was it. Look at that. Let's get this right out of here. Look at that pie. Look at how fluffy it is. That looks so good. That's what happens when you get really excited and you really like something, you start to whisper. Oh, maybe that's just me. Oh my gosh, look at that. I just cut right in. I love it. The strawberry is so fresh. Tastes so good with the strawberry Jell-O, and then the fresh strawberries along with the chocolate crust. You guys, this is a winner. Make it for Valentine's Day, for spring, a holiday. I don't know, just because you love strawberries. That's okay too, right? Enjoy, you guys. This is so good. Winner for sure.